Hi, my name is Leilany and this is Keilany. Today we're gonna do a glow-in-the-dark activity draw. It's drawing gems, magic paint pens, second magic, fun, S. So let's get started. So it comes with these light pink and kind of a dark pink. Then here's the back. The kids doing stuff, This is my favorite. Glow in the dark pens. They're washable, but you have to let them dry for a few minutes and then they are ready to go. Then these are regular markers for their shirt. And then these are little prints where you could do it, like 2 things. So let's get started. First, we're gonna open the shirts. So right here are the pants. I'm gonna decorate the pants and I'm gonna wear them with my own PJs. And then my sister's gonna wear the shirt with her own PJs. Okay, but these are the rules. First, you have to put this markers, the regular markers, and then over it you put this. But you have to wait until this is dry. It says on the back. So let's get started. There's this little card tracers. There's 3 different ones. So let's get started. So there is a lot of markers. There is green, pink, baby blue. What color is this, Mia?
Purple, orange,
and
yellow.
Good job. So we just have to put the pants ready. Get them ready. All right. Okay. Oh, want me to help you? Let's put this stick. You can also decorate the sleeves. So you want baby blue, orange, and green. Okay, you get those 3 and I get these 3. But sometimes when we need a color, we could just treat. Want to do one of these? I think I should do this star. So I make this little star right here. I make this little star with this print card and stars right here. But now I'm gonna make this cute little paw right here. This little cute little paw. What color should I do with this thing? I think purple. Is pretty. We're back and mine has numbers, everything. I used a lot of prints. As you can see, I have bows, circles, a bell, stars, and some numbers. But this one is the special one. Daddy's Little Princess. That's the one that my mom wrote. And then my sister, on her sleeves, she has my name. Happy face, ice cream, and that. And then my sister's sleeve right here has happy face, horses, and it says Keilany and a little cap. And then hers says the same thing as mine, but hers has a heart and D and A. So it says Daddy's Little Princess. Same thing. So comment down below which one you like better. And now we're just gonna put on the glow-in-the-dark things. So we'll be right back. Bye. Bye. So the glow-in-the-dark thing, you could do a happy face. You could do whatever.
See, this is how I'm doing, and here my firework.
So right now, I'm making
Happy face.
a happy face. The concentrating. It's pretty hard to go. Already finished doing everything. So good for her. It does glow, it's just that we need to look for a purple light.
Well, I know purple light is dead.
Bye YouTube! Comment down below, thumbs up. And if you like this video, just keep on watching. Bye.